All right, this is a very exciting announcement of a brand new book that's out. And let me tell you the reasons why this is the first book that everybody in network marketing should read. It all begins with the right mindset. Every single one of us has different fears. So what I did is I went to a very large Facebook group that I run called The Game of Networking that's based off my first book. And I asked this question: what's the number one fear that network marketers have? And we had all different answers. This poll had answers all over the place, right? This poll, people were listing fears. I think there were 25 to 30 different fears that were listed. And what I did is I took all of those 5 fears, the top 5 fears, so the very, very most common fears. And what I did is I wrote an entire book about the top 5 fears that network marketers face. I gave real life examples. I gave examples inside of network marketing that I've gone through, that other people have gone through. Then what I did is I broke it into 3 different categories. So the 3 different categories as you go, the 3 different mindsets inside of each fear. And at the very end of each chapter, I give you solutions. This is the very first book that we all need because we all know that we have different sets of limiting beliefs. We all know that once we start to overcome those, then it's how do we teach our team members to overcome them? Because it doesn't matter how great your skills are or your systems are, you're never going to get to the skills or systems if you don't have the right mindset. Mindset will eat skills and systems for breakfast. If you have the right mindset, you'll figure out the rest. Not saying the others aren't important. They're absolutely critical and important. But it all starts with the right mindset. It all starts with overcoming those different fears. Think about it. It's common sense and it sounds cliche. What would the most fearless version of yourself do? Right? How would you act? What would you say? What would your tone be like? What would your posture be like? So here's the book right here. Okay, there's the cover. Hope you like the cover. So it's probably showing backwards right now. That's okay, you guys can see it. But this is what it looks like at it. It's straight to the point as you go through this. I mean, everything is just straight to the point. There's no fluff in here as it goes through everything to get you started in this business, to help you out, to have more success. If you end up sharing this live, please drop a share in the comments below. I left the link in here inside of it, The Game of Conquering. If you just go to The Game of Conquering, www.thegameofconquering.com, you just click on it right there and you can get access to this book. We're going to have a lot of fun. This is going to make a huge difference in the network marketing profession. I'm so excited.